Hello and a very good day everyone. My name is Kishan Raj Aneki Ganesh from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today, me and my teammates are going to present about the topic impact of acoustics and vibration of HVAC or heating, ventilation and air conditioning system on the human health and safety. This is the topic that has been given to us by our lecturer, which is T.S. Muhammad Noor bin Othman for the subject HVAC Applied Acoustics and Vibration. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting our time, let's move on to the next slide. What is noise? Noise, defined as unwanted sound. It is perceived as an environmental stressor and nuisance. Excessive noise harms human health and it is also interferes with humans' daily activities. Well, the picture represents on the left side shows that noise level that have been recorded from 0 decibels to 180 decibels. According to World Health Organization, noise above 65 decibels is considered as noise pollution, and when noise becomes harmful when it exceeds 75 decibels, and also if it is painful when it becomes above 120 decibels. To talk about the sources of noise in HVAC system, there are several systems or components or equipments that generate noise in HVAC system. First one is the airflow turbulence in duct. When an airflow moves from one place to another place, it generates noise on the ductwork. Next is the variable air volume terminal box or VAV system. Then there is compressor, centrifugal fan, motor, damper, diffuser and water pump. Okay, this is the video that shows examples of HVAC noise. There are two scenarios where it is different, but there is noise made from the air conditioning system. Okay, the first video is here. Dear friends, this is the examples of noise that have been made by air conditioning system. The first video shows that there is a faulty on the motor or blower of the indoor unit which caused the noise to occur. And on the second video, the fan or compressor may be faulty too, which makes the noise to be too obvious. Friends, I will end up my slide presentation here.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Arif Imran bin Hassan with card metric B0918101777. Okay, today I want to explain about vibration. Firstly, what is vibration? Vibration is defined as the motion of particles or body by which is moved from its stable position. Any motion which repeats itself after an interval of time is called vibration. Okay. Next is type of vibration. There are three types. First one is free vibration. Second one is forced vibration. Third one is damper vibration. Force and damper vibration are almost exactly the same meanings. For free vibration is no external force acts on the system when there no external exertion force on the body or body itself vibrate without any external force, then vibration in the body is called natural or free vibration. This type of vibration occur when a system is set off an initial input and then allow to vibrate freely. Okay, the fourth vibration is when a body vibrate under external time variance distribution like load, displacement, and velocity. This external physical phenomena may predict a random input or steady state. Okay, next we go to source of vibration. There is four vibration in Hvac system. First one is vibration motor. Second one is vibration of pump. Third one is vibration of fan, centrifugal fan or ASU fan. The last one is vibration of belting. Uh, Also, when any screw of the system is not tight or any shaft is broken or already broke, it also make vibration. Okay, for the last one is example of vibration. This is a video that I show type of vibration in real life. Okay, the first one is outdoor unit. As you can see, when the guy is holding the outdoor unit, the vibrate will not sound. When the guy is let out the outdoor unit, then the vibration will come. The second one is in ASU unit. For the ASU unit, uh, they already reduce the vibration because they add spring bottom of the motor and centrifugal fan. The spring that we call is insulator between using insulator between moving part and stationary section part. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kukuneswara. Today I am going to discuss about the impact of noise and vibration. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily life. The most common health problem it causes is noise-induced hearing loss (NIHL). Exposure to loud noise can also cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, and stress. These health problems can affect all age groups, especially children. The physical health effect of noise pollution can occur as a direct or indirect result of noise exposure. In severe cases, loud sounds can directly cause hearing impairment. Some forms of noise-induced hearing impairment include abnormal loudness perception, tremors, which cause a person highly pitched ringing in the ears, paracusis, or distort hearing. Some research also suggests that noise pollution may indirectly contribute to other health conditions. Next, I'm going to discuss about the elimination or reduction of vibration. The ways to eliminate the vibration is by installing vibration damping seats, by using dynamic vibration absorbers, using isolator between moving parts and stationary parts, and the last one is use insulation which will act as a muffler against unwanted noise. As a conclusion, human can live in peace if there is no noise. Prevention steps should be taken to avoid human to be victim of depression. That's all for my conclusion from my part. Thank you.